Today's experiment is to find the resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method. We are doing this experiment in Amrita O Lab. So, what are the apparatus required? High resistance box, that is resistance up to 10,000 ohm say, a low resistance box, battery, galvanometer and two one-way key. To begin with, we'll first draw the circuit diagram, and according to this circuit diagram we'll connect the apparatus. So let us connect by dragging from one point to the other point, and this will be connected to key, this will be connected to one end of the galvanometer, and this will be connected to the other end of the galvanometer, and shunt will be connected in parallel to the galvanometer coil. This end of resistance box will be connected to the key and then to galvanometer. So here there are three galvanometer. You can find the resistance of three galvanometer by selecting like this. So I am going to find the resistance of galvanometer 1. So first we'll insert this key and we'll say first we'll take out 2000 ohm from this resistance. So you are finding deflection in the galvanometer is 15, and the deflection in galvanometer indicates the current flowing through the circuit. Now if you take out say 1000 ohm, so full deflection is there, and let us now find out for what value of shunt resistance the deflection in galvanometer becomes half of 30, that is 15. So let us now insert key K2, and since we are to find out the value of shunt resistance, so select this small here, and let us say I am taking out 50 ohm. So what do you find? This is 14.1. Full deflection it was 30. So value of shunt for half deflection we are going to find out. So this becomes 16.6. okay, now this is 15.4. so this may not be correct, and hence 14.8, 15.1. okay, and one more resistance, if it is 50, it becomes 15.3. so let it be okay, 14, and now the deflection has become half. So what is the value of shunt? It is 50 plus 5, 55, and 56, so 56.5. so when R was 1000 full deflection, and the value of shunt is 56.5, the deflection in galvanometer is half of 30, that is it is 15. So if you want to find out what is the figure of merit the value is 6.28931 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. So in laboratory you can measure the potential difference of the cell. Now let us reset it and go for second reading. So again we have to connect. So first we are connecting it. The high resistance box, battery, galvanometer and key, and then shunt is connected in parallel to the galvanometer coil. So let it be connected like this. Now again we will take a high resistance value. So insert the key K1 first, and now let us consider say it is so let it be. I am trying to find out the resistance for which the value is 20 ampere in the passing through the galvanometer. So it is at 18.1. okay, this is 21.8 and okay, so what is the value of R? Here it is 1200, so 1400, 1500, 20. So value of R is 1520. And now we shall find out. So this is 20.1, but we want to find out for 20. Okay, so now again let us find out 1000, 400, 500, 20, 530. So for 20 deflection here means 20 ampere current flowing through the galvanometer, the shunt the resistance R is 530. 1530 means 1530. Now let us find out the value of shunt. So okay, first you will select here. So what this it was 20, so what will be the half of this 20? It will be 10. So select the value of shunt so that deflection becomes 10. So let us start with, it is 5. Okay, so 8.8. all right, 9.8, 9.9 and 10. So what is the value of shunt here now? 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. So for value of R, if it is for the shunt value becomes 55, 57, 58. Now here also you will find figure of merit same, and by using the formula R into S divided by R minus S, you can find the value of the resistance of galvanometer coil.